we're going to explore the last two tabs, the feedback and the help tab. So while you're doing your work, if you think of something that could really be useful for you, or you think of it might be useful for someone that we do not have, and you would like to put in a request for that feature, you can click this tool here, enter in your request, and then your email, and it will send this request to our support email, and it will also send you a thank you email to the email that you enter in this blank here. This is extremely helpful information for us because then we can review the emails that come to the support email and build new features for you based on user requests. Similarly, if you find an error in the data or in the map in general, you can report that error in exactly the same manner. Just make sure that you describe the error in detail so that we're able to find and replicate the same error and hopefully fix it. The Help tab has a user's manual tool, so if you click that here, it gives you a hyperlink to our user's manual PDF, which you can then save to your local computer and download or even print if you would like. You can just review it there. It is fully navigational within the PDF itself, so you can just click on something in the table of contents and it will take you right to it. And then you can also access our tutorial videos through this tool. So it will list a hyperlink for every single tutorial video here, and it will take you right to that specific video. So just for example, it will take you to our YouTube channel where you can watch a tutorial on how to do that exact feature.